tell you, gonna miss it.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hey guys, so we're at the pizza store. Excuse my messy hair, it's been raining outside. Apparently, yeah, so it's our last night here in Fiji, and we are actually, excuse me guys, I got something in my eyes. So it's our last night in Fiji, and we just got dropped off by a female taxi driver, which is really good to see. You know, it's really good to see women are, you know, doing all kinds of jobs in the world these days. So we're back at our favourite pizza place because it's our last night. We thought, well, why not? Let's just have pizza for our last night and just enjoy the rest of the night that we can. Little island babes here.
Yeah, man.
And little islands here. Say hi.
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza. Yeah, and this is my first time actually trying Fiji bitter. I've tried Fiji Gold, not very my favourite, but I am just having a little sip of beer. Not a big drinker at all, and anyhow, it's been good. We've had a good time. We're actually leaving right on cyclone season. Yeah, so there's 3 cyclones. I thought there's 2 cyclones, sorry. One's called Cyclone Julie and the other one's Cyclone Kevin. So Cyclone Kevin is lingering around, and apparently it's the most dangerous one. So I'm hoping and praying that tomorrow morning we leave on time before anything, otherwise things will get cancelled and then we'll have to stay on the island, which I don't mind.
It's not a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing. It's like, oh well, if it happens, it happens, and the airline will have to pay for our hotel place to stay until it clears over and we're able to fly out. So that's all good for us. But well, because we don't really technically start work until next week anyway. So yeah. Anyways, guys, can't wait for our pizza. It's probably the same thing that we got the other day, except
really good.
Which was really good. So yeah, we couldn't help but to get more of that. And yeah, it's been great. It's been really good, relaxing. We've enjoyed it. Yes, Ireland has been Ireland, as you all know. He's only 2, so you know, you can't exactly, you know, give him good and bad days. Like all children, they have their days where they're good and bad. Today, particularly, we're in the markets, and he was, you know, just being Ireland. So yeah.
Give him a couple slap, you know what I mean? He deserve it.
Yeah, just a smack, you know, because sometimes it's just too much. Other than that, you know, our holiday has been really good. We've been, you know, just, you know, enjoying the most of it, you know, getting to see the nightlife here and, you know, the beaches and just what people eat on the daily. And yeah, it's been really good. So guys, with all that,
give thanks for being here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We all enjoy these episodes.
Yeah. And reading your guys' comments as well. Let me explain. There was one comment about Ireland should go to school. I'm going to address that now. Ireland does go to school. Well, he actually did go to school. The reason why I withdraw him because you know, I've heard stories about the daycare that he was going to, but that didn't discourage me from taking him. It's just basically very expensive for us at the moment. So with that being said, we are looking for a new school for him. So just gotta clear that out of the air right now, okay? Yeah.
People have a problem with everything, so it just, yeah.
That's true.
People always try to make you have a bad day, I realize that.
That's true.
Their comments, they watch an entire video and look for the one thing that they don't like to complain about.
Yeah. So you will see Island crying, you will see Island complaining, and you will see Island being Island, as a 2-year-old would really do. So yeah, with that being said, yeah, have a good day. And we love you guys, our true and real supporters of the Island family. You know,
Thanks for your guys' support.
big give thanks. And also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and let us know that you're new to the channel so that we can shout you guys out. Alright, because we've realized we've had a jump in subscribers, and we want to know who you are, where you come from, and we can shout you guys out when we decide to do a live, probably on Saturday.
Yeah.
We'll probably do a live on Saturday, guys. Oh, actually, can't say that because by the time they get this video,
we're speaking this in the future, because the time we're doing this video now is actually how can I say it? We actually have what, 2 videos of Fiji up already. So when we're doing this video, you guys yeah, we're just on the 2nd upload, so we're speaking this into the future pretty much. Yeah.
Into the future. But yes, please, anyway, let us know down in the comments where you come from and where you're from, and we'll give you a shout.
Yeah, man.
And for the person that said, where's my gift, about the close to New Zealand, close to the islands, did we ever say we're going to give gifts? I think we did, didn't we?
I can't remember.
Okay, well, for the person who actually got it right, Marty, if you're seeing this video, DM me, send me an email, and yeah, we'll give you a little bonus souvenir, okay? Depending on where you are, because sometimes Australia doesn't reach to where you guys are. So yeah, we'll give you something, okay? Peace out. So guys, here is our pizza, yummy yummy,
Nice.
with Fiji, buata. That
Mama's pizza, you know?
Mama's pizza. Let's shell that down quick and fast.
Yeah.
We did a pretty good job, hey guys? Full. Alan? So guys, this is a friend of ours we met here in Fiji. His name is Taka. We'll leave a link down below to his Facebook page if anyone wants to add him. So when you come to Fiji, he could be a taxi driver and he can take you places. He also recommended us the maddest cruise ever for Captain Cook Cruises. And yeah, he's the guy that you want to link up with. So guys, real genuine guy. He'll be honest with you every step of the way. So thank you, Taka. Hola. Blessings. See you.
Look at what we have, guys. Chai tea.
Cappuccino. It's our last day here. We're at the airport. We're about to take off. I look half asleep. I know, but anyway.
Get up early this morning.
Got up really early, like 4 o'clock in the morning.
We do the road things, them, you know?
Yeah, whatever you say.
Yeah, man, the road things, them. And we have like a bubble. Yeah, man. I shell down something there. So outside of the airport there. Nice little airport, not too busy. Yeah, man.
Guys, yummy. Bacon and eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hot. Wow, guys.
Going. Island. Island, come.
Start with the jackets and jumpers. It's coming in Fiji, eh?
Tell you, gonna miss it. Already miss it.
Hey guys, we're on the plane now, going back home.
Yeah.
It's been great. Got myself a little tan, you know. White. Anyhow, the rest of the body is just white.
Yeah, man.
I don't do tanning like that. Island.
Island.
Hi, go play!
Yay! Go back home now. Yeah, bye Fiji. So everything's getting packed out now, guys.
Yeah. See you guys.
Grandma.
Hello.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi. Hi. Hello, Grandma.
Hello, baby.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Yay! Yay!
You went on playing.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
life.
Yeah, go play. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Whoa.
Boy, and grandmother had chat.
Yeah. I go play and you go play and hi, Gary. I was
So the plane was scary?
play game too. And we play game.
What go on here now? The power bus are go man, you see me? Yeah man, well we tired like our. Yeah man. So here guys, have a long bus ride. Bus is empty, it's just us. Yeah. Australia that we haven't been in for a while. Thanks for being here throughout this entire journey. Like it carries a lot of stuff on it. Big city. Yeah, this one.
At least we can say we sail on a yacht.
So that's like a island over there. What do you say?
Yeah, but
Looks
there's
like-
always there would be an hour out.
Yeah, yeah.